Welcome back everyone. Today we are stepping into our Tangency proof masterclass. I heartily welcome you to the Math Simplified by HM channel. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, grab your notebook, feel free to pause as need and let us get started. Tangency Proof Masterclass, the Converse Theorem, proof by contradiction. The theorem, if the angle between a chord and line is half the intersected arc, then the line is tangent. What we know, we have circle with chord AB and a line L through point A. With crucial angle, the angle between line L and chord AB is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc AB. We use here indirect proof. We will use proof by contradiction. That means we assume the opposite of what we want to prove. The assumption: assume line L is not a tangent to the circle. Now drawing the truth, let us draw a new line. Say T is the true tangent at point A. Now application of the tangent theorem. Because the line T is tangent, the angle it makes with chord AB is exactly 1/2 into measure of arc AB. The conflict: line L angle with chord AB is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AB, and line T angle with chord AB is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc AB. Now see the paradox. Two different lines cannot form the exact same angle with the same chord at the same point. Now the collapse. Therefore, the line L and line T must be the exact same line. The truth: since line T is a tangent, line L must also be tangent. Thus, the converse is proven. Outstanding logical deduction today. Proofs by contradiction are incredibly powerful mathematical tools. Before we wrap up, remember the thought: your efforts become success when they are perfectly aligned with your goal. Just as line L and T had to align perfectly to reveal the true tangent, aligning your daily efforts with your goals makes success inevitable. Thank you all for your fantastic focus. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. Enjoy the great time ahead.